Hello guys, there we have a Motorola G53, and today I'll show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in this phone. So we start from the Opera. In Opera it's very simple, just click on the stars bar icon and go to the private. Now just a tap and that's it, you are in the secret mode. The next one is Firefox. In the Firefox, if you have this welcoming screen, just click on the zero mask and that's it. But if you have opened any website, you have to click on the taskbar icon, switch to the zero mask and add a private tab. The next one is Microsoft Edge. Like before, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the in private and add a tab. And the last one, the Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, click this 3-dot icon, or sometimes it's arrow icon, and choose new Incognito tab. And now the cache files, the forms and the history will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.